Hi there, this is your aromatherapist Ronak Salam, and today I came to you with a message that how to ease off your anxiety through the use of essential oil, because this is one of the biggest problem. All my clients, they've been asking me to make a blend for them on how to ease off their anxiety. Anxiety is a big problem. It's a big issue, and everybody at some point get hit with the anxiety. Like, say for example, you have an interview to attend, or you have a test coming up, or you have to meet someone, or in your business field you have to close a deal. No matter what you do, you carry on your anxiety. So you have preparations, you have everything, but when you go there, you feel anxious in the real situation. And even before that, suppose we have a job interview tomorrow, and since morning and then the night before, I start feeling anxious, and no matter I go over my reviews, my notes, many times just to feel comfortable that okay. But here we are, that we are going there with a bag of anxiety along with us. And in aromatherapy, we have very good solution for that. We have essential oils, and I know that there are thousands of essential oils. They're all natural plant extract, and one oil has many virtues, many benefits. I don't want to spend all my time talking about all the virtues of essential oils. Just to keep it simple and short, I want to show you that I brought 3 oils today, and I got one from the top note, one from the middle note, and one from the base note. So the top note one is clary sage, and the middle note one is geranium, and the base note one is ylang ylang. Now let me tell you what each oils are good for. Clary sage is very good to ease ourselves off. That means it helps us with depression, it helps us with anxiety, it helps us with insomnia, and I can go on and on. As I told you, that each oil has many different benefits, and geranium actually is a de-stressor, and it calms our nervous system, and it has other potentials as well, but let's stay focused on anxiety. And ylang ylang actually is it's a mood booster, it's a performance booster, and it is called also aphrodisiac, but we are not going to pay a whole lot attention to its benefits for as an aphrodisiac, but today we are going to talk more about how actually it helps us. So what I did, I made it very simple. I took one mist vaporizer, it calls also chromotherapy vaporizer because it changes color, and I fill it with water, this water, and then I put few drops, 2 drops of ylang ylang and 2 drops of geranium and 3 drops of clary sage in it. This is the max I can go. I can even go a little bit lower, like 2 to 3 drops would be good, but I want to make sure that it reaches to our central nervous system through our breathing. So aromatherapy always encourage people to inhale the oil. So however, this is the best way, that fill it up with alkaline water or any pure water, and then put few drops of your essential oil, or you can even make a blend beforehand and just put 3 to 4 drops of that blend, and you're set for that night. And then on the go, you can take this one. I would feel I'd put 2 drops of Ylang-ylang, 3 drops of geranium and 3 drops of clary sage in it, and fill the rest of them with the fractionated coconut oil. And then this I can use as a roll-on, so I can keep it in my pocket whenever I feel the need of it. I can just put it, and instantaneously it reaches to my bloodstream and de-stresses me. So because neurotransmitter, when it receives it, and then it releases encephalin, but we don't want to get too much technical with this. But uh, all in all, it actually helps us. We can even take this one. You have to know the ratio. You can call me. I will tell you how to make the massage oil out of it. You can take it to your masseuse and give them a good rub on your body, or you can put it in your bath water and relax with that. So there are many varieties of way. Our ultimate is for us to reach it, so it reaches to our bloodstream, and the effect, we can feel it, that it is easing us off. Okay, so one more thing that I want to tell you, that if you want to know a little more about any other oils or any other benefits or how to use it and all other questions that you may have, you can call us at 213-623-3348. Again, it's 213-623-3348. Or you can write to me at salam, SALAM, SALAM at incenseroute.com. I will actually I should have brought a card here with me, and but anyways, you have any questions or concerns, we are available at Incense Route. Incense Route is located in heart of Los Angeles, but until then, just wherever you buy it from, you can get it from us, or you can get it from whichever source you think is you're comfortable with, and just get it and use it. Until then.